A few weeks ago, I showed you a video of a cutest little 4-year-old hip-hop dancer from China, and today he's here making his American television debut. Please welcome 4-year-old Yiming Wang. Hi, Sonny.
Ellen.
This is a lollipop just for you.
Oh, thank you so much. That's very sweet. Thank you so much. How do you say thank you?
怎么说谢谢？
没事。
You're
welcome. Just say you're welcome.
You're welcome. You shine. Whatever. Hi, Sony. All right, so I'll get down here also. And listen, I want to teach you some English, okay?
好，教你学英文，好不好？说几句英文。
I am the boss of America. What is your favorite style of dance?
你最喜欢跳什么舞
Hip hop.
Hip hop. Oh, me too. And do you have a favorite dancer? I'm going to guess who it is, but who's your favorite
你
dancer?
最喜欢谁跳的舞
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. I love your outfit.
我好喜欢你的衣服哦。
You're welcome. You're welcome to you. All right, let's see you dance. Show us your moves, okay?
准备好跟我们跳个舞，剪个节目，好不好？
行。
准备一下
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. You're very, very good.
很棒哎。
谢谢。
Thank you.
You're welcome. Listen, I know one of the things that you wanted to do when you were here is to go to Disneyland. So
想去迪士尼乐园。
we're going to send you and your father to Disneyland.
他安阿姨
唐老
请你们。
鸭喊当大兵，咚
And this is Donald Duck.
Yeah.